In this video you will discover 15 mind-blowing health facts that will leave you amazed.
Are you curious? Let's begin.
Chewing gum and memory. Chewing gum may have more effects than simply making your breath smell good or giving you something to do when bored. In fact, some studies show that chewing gum can actually increase feelings of relaxation, increase attention, lower stress levels, and improve memory, offering a convenient and accessible tool for boosting cognitive functions.
Tetrachromacy. Tetrachromacy is a condition where a person has 4 cone types in their retina, rather than the standard 3 that most people have. Certain women have a special gift called tetrachromacy. It means they can see more colors than most people. It's like having a superpower for seeing a rainbow of hues.
Music and pain perception. Numerous studies consistently demonstrate that listening to preferred music during discomfort increases pain thresholds and lowers perceived pain compared to disliked music.
Pain tolerance and redheads. Studies indicate that people with red hair may experience pain in a different way compared to those with other hair colors. They may have a lower pain tolerance and need higher doses of pain-killing medications or anesthesia during surgeries. This unique response is thought to be linked to a variation in the MC1R gene, which is associated with red hair and fair skin.
Gut-brain connection. The digestive tract, often referred to as the gut, is like a second brain. It has its own intricate nervous network, known as the enteric nervous system.
This network can influence and communicate with the brain through what is called the gut-brain axis. The connection between the gut and brain indeed plays a significant role in various aspects of our well-being, including mood, emotions, and overall health.
Memory and closed eyes. Closing your eyes while memorizing information enhances focus by reducing external distractions. This act supports improved concentration, potentially leading to better memory retention. Female heartbeat. Women's hearts beat a bit faster than men's, around 8 beats per minute more. This is mainly because women's hearts are generally smaller than men's.
With each beat, the smaller female heart pumps less blood, so it needs to beat faster to match the output of the larger male heart. Earbuds and infection. When we put things in our ears like earbuds, we mess with the biological systems already in place to protect them.
As a result, sometimes we end up with ear infections. It can also lead to an increase in ear temperature, creating conditions for bacteria to enter the ear canal and cause an infection.
Hypnic jerk. When you are beginning to fall asleep, your body occasionally experiences an involuntary muscle twitch, known as the hypnic jerk. It often causes you to jump and awaken suddenly for a moment. This sudden jerky movement is influenced by factors such as stress, caffeine intake, irregular sleep patterns, and physical activity.
REM sleep. Rapid eye movement or REM sleep is a stage of sleep associated with dreaming and memory consolidation. During REM sleep, eyes move rapidly, heart rate speeds up, breathing becomes irregular, muscles experience paralysis, and the brain is highly active with variable brain waves.
Laughing gas for depression. Nitrous oxide, commonly known as laughing gas, is explored as an alternative treatment for individuals with depression unresponsive to standard antidepressants. This unconventional approach may provide a rapid and effective solution, particularly for those in urgent need. Additionally, it induces a state of relaxation and euphoria, and is utilized as a short-term anesthetic for pain relief in dental and surgical procedures.
Yawning and brain cooling. Yawning isn't just a sign of sleepiness, it helps cool down your brain. When you yawn, the cool air you breathe in chills the blood going to your brain. It's like a natural air conditioner, pushing away the warm blood, and bringing in cooler blood from your lungs. This helps keep your brain at the right temperature, and enhances alertness and cognitive function.
Height variation during the day. Due to the compression of soft cartilage between bones during the day, individuals are approximately 1 centimeter taller in the morning when they first wake up compared to their height before going to bed.
Aging effects on nose and ears. We often notice that specific body parts continue growing, which is why they tend to look oversized on our minds when we reach our senior years. These changes are influenced by shifts in skin elasticity and the impact of gravity on facial structures.
Knowledge is the key to success. The more you know, the better and happier you live. Enriching our knowledge opens doors to informed choices, fostering physical and mental well-being, while also empowering us to navigate life's challenges with resilience and confidence. In a world where new info pops up every day, knowing more is the key to unlocking a pathway toward a better and more fulfilling existence.
By liking and subscribing to our channel, you will give us energy to continue creating informative content that will enrich your knowledge and improve your well-being. Share this video with your friends and family. They will thank you, and at the same time, you will help us grow.
Please remember that this video is for informational purposes about health facts only. Always talk to your doctor before starting any type of therapy. Bye.